I was on YouTube. Watching TY38.
Good morning. I don't know what the C stand for, but Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We made it to our first and only appointment today. We had a few other appointments, but if you look at the sky, it's real cloudy today. It's supposed to rain. So with that rain coming in later today, and it's guaranteed, so people reschedule. But you see already, we already got the matching things out. So we're about to go ahead and work on this interior of the car right here. It's a little dirty. I'm not sure if she a high schooler or like in college, not 100% sure, but we're gonna get in here and clean it up. Make sure that we clean these seats and things like that. Remember, like I always tell you, you always gotta make sure you pull these seats back, because you see how that dirt hide, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna show you a little bit better in the front seat, maybe a little bit thicker in the front, but you see how that dirt hiding, you know what I mean? So, you know, you can see it, but when you pull that seat back, you can actually see more, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and get in here, you know, clean up real good with all these pockets, side of the seats, things like that. So we're about to go ahead and get in here. Like I said, we all got the vacuum and everything ready. We already got the all-purpose. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, y'all. Y'all already know, man, it's a beautiful day. Like I said, besides the rain, I think right now it's like 60-something degrees, so it's a little warm. And yes, I do have on a hoodie and things like that. But we got the all-purpose and everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up, things like that. But y'all already know, continue to be great. I see the views on the channel starting to go up since we making a straight vlog, and we took other stuff off, and that's what we're gonna do. But like I said, if y'all want to see that other stuff, like we just did an episode of Buzz and Brew, where it's a restaurant that have food mixed with cannabis and stuff like that, you can go see that on my other channel at Around Nashville. But like always, you go check out my Instagram at Your Way Mobile. You can see my Facebook at Ty Hines, things of that nature, man. But continue to be great. I'm gonna be great, and we're gonna be great together. And hit that subscribe button. And like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, y'all already know what it do, YouTube, what it do. But we finally finished the first car, and the only car today. Like I said, you see the sky supposed to rain today, so everybody rescheduled. But like I said, we're doing this GMC terrain. We already got the whole car knocked out. Got the interior, exterior of the car looking immaculate. We definitely be enthused with the work. He the guy that got that brown hot country Suburban. So, but if you remember, it had debris everywhere in the car. It literally had debris everywhere in the car. So you see it, we already got the car looking good. You remember how much dirt and debris was right here. You remember how much stuff was on the seats, even in the back. So y'all already know, man, when y'all see this work, y'all know that I, at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, take so much pride in everything we do. And like I tell people, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's not considered a job, not even considered, it's just you doing what you do best. So like I tell you, man, find that passion, man. It's never too late. No matter how old you was, you gotta think Vera Wang made her best dress at the age of 80, my bad, y'all. So don't sweat the age, man. Just continue to stay focused on what it is you need and want to do, man. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. My mind everywhere. Don't try to be like nobody else, man. You are you, and you are the one that's in control of your destiny, man. So don't be sitting there looking on social media, looking at people around you, feeling like you're lackluster and not doing what you're supposed to do, because you are doing what you are supposed to do, and that is whatever you're doing. So on that note, man, y'all already know, man, one love, love thyself. Remember, can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, like always, man, one love and peace.
I was on YouTube watching TY 38.